Hi everyone, it seemed like some people were having trouble with the stock system based on looking at your quizzes, so let me just recap how to name. The formula is very easy. You just take what's there and you go from it. So if you have copper, 3 oxide, copper is plus 3, okay? Oxygen is minus 2. You switch just your numbers and you would end up with Cu2O3. If you can reduce, you reduce. You can't here. Okay, so here we have Ni and O. So we know it's going to end up being nickel, something, oxide. Okay? So remember we have uncrisscross and split. I'd like to split better, so I'm going to do that first. So I split it in half. I look and say, oxygen, I have 2 of them. They each have a charge of minus 2. 2 times minus 2 equals minus 4. Therefore, the nickel has to be positive 4. Okay? Uncrisscross. So I say my nickel, I don't see anything, so I write a 1. I take the numbers, bring them to the top. So I have Ni plus 2, O minus 1. Oxygen, is it really minus 1? No, it's minus 2. So I multiply everything times 2. So I have nickel plus 4, oxygen minus 2. Oxygen is minus 2. And notice that the answer lines up either way. So I have nickel, 4 oxide. Remember, you need to use Roman numerals. If you write the number, it will be marked wrong. That's just the rules of the game. Okay, I have Fe3P2. So I'm going to have iron, something, phosphide. Okay, I would also recommend check your spelling because some people were making really, really bad spelling mistakes, but I included the chart in there for you to check your spelling. And you have a periodic table, so please check your spelling because all you have to do is copy it off of there. Okay, so I have uncrisscross and split. Although I do like split better, anytime you see a 3 and a 2, uncrisscross is going to be easier. Okay, I take my numbers, I switch them and bring them up to the top. So I have Fe plus 2, P minus 3. We say, is phosphorus really minus 3? Yes, it is. Okay, let's try split. Now, if this gets confusing while you're here, you just go back to uncrisscross. Remember, you never need to show me work for this. If you're someone who can do this in your head, that's fine. But make sure you can actually get it right in your head. A lot of people get overconfident. They get 1 or 2 correct in their head, and they assume that they can do them all. Okay, we split it. So P, I have 2 of them. They're each minus 3. 2 times minus 3 equals minus 6. So therefore, this whole side is positive 6. But we have 3 of them. So 6 divided by 3 equals positive 2. And we line up either way, 2 or 2. So we're going to have iron 1, 2. Hopefully that helps. Email me with any questions. And if you want, feel free to go back and retake the Google form on that. And I will take your better score. Check your spelling. Capitalization, I'll work with you on. It makes my life a little bit easier if you follow what I put there because it auto-grades for you. But check your spelling because if you spell them wrong, especially your phosphides, your oxides, when they're right there for you, they're right there. Just copy them off the chart that I gave you, okay? And same with the iron, the nickel, the copper. Just look at your periodic table and just double check before you hit submit. Have a nice day.